first, for some of the older ones, since we have acne sometimes, I take some concealer and just kind of try to go over our blemishes a little bit. And then I just take whatever they use, is beauty blenders. Sometimes we use brushes, just blend it in. Kind of covers a bit better than if you were to do foundation. So for foundation, it doesn't matter whatever you use. Sometimes they're a pump, sometimes they're a bottle with this without a cap, and I'll just pour it on the back of my hand, and I'll take my finger and I'll just kind of put it all over their face. Don't forget to blend it into your hairline and into your ears. Then I'll actually take the concealer and we'll put it underneath her eye, in the corner, and just on the outside of both her eyes. Then I'll also do the middle of the forehead and her chin. And then blend it out. So next we're doing bronzer, and I'm gonna take some on the brush, but tap it off because it's gonna be real dark. And get it right from their ear bone to about here is that where their cheekbone should be, and that's where you're gonna wanna blend it out.
So we're gonna pucker the lips to define the cheekbone if we're having troubles finding it. And then take it from there up.
And I'll also take it up the side of the forehead and their hairline. Also take this brush just to make sure it's all blended. So next we're gonna do blush, and I use a liquid and then also a powdered blush just to set it in. So for the liquid, this one comes out, is very pigmented, so it'll come out a big glob. I wipe it off, and then I do 2 dots, that's 3 dots. I do 3 dots on each side going up, so it gives you that like lifted. So next we're gonna do her eyebrows, and you don't have to do this, but some dancers, like I don't do anything to my eyebrows, but some dancers like it. So we're gonna take this, and it's just a little pencil. I'm just gonna color in all the way down, just to make sure it looks just even. Sometimes there's a brush on the end of the product. Just brush it out. After you color them in, some people have like eyebrow gel, and sometimes some crazy people use gel. So after your base, you have like liquid products and you have some powder products, and I'll take just a powder for everything and go over the inner corner and her cheek and her chin and her forehead. Pretty much the same spots that you put concealer.
It's great for, because you're sweating, that it will actually stay on all day long. So if you're having more than 3 numbers that day, I would definitely use this. You have to reapply and reapply. Okay, so we're gonna go like this, right across, good. For those who don't have really straight down eyelashes and this doesn't last, quick trick is to heat it up a bit.
for my lashes, I take strips of lashes and cut them into little sections and then put them little sections underneath in like little sections underneath my lashes, not on top because it doesn't give you that gap, and that means I can put lash glue on my lashes and pinch them together. So it's just like, it's a bunch of little sections. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, just a bunch of little sections. So for lipstick, we're gonna take it, make sure there's no, like a lot of excess on it. Have them part their lips just a little bit. Then do their Cupid's bow. Basically just trace. So for highlighter, it doesn't really matter what you use. Take a little brush, tap off the excess, right on the top of their cheekbone, right where the light hits it, like that. Same on the other side. And then I also take some to the inner corner on both sides. And then also the tip of the nose, and then right down the bridge of it.
All right, parents, it's that easy. I can do it. Miss Molly is there for you. Yes. This is your showcase makeup and your competition makeup. The lipstick may change for a few routines, but do your best.